Hey YouTube, so today we're going to make what I want to call candied sweet potatoes. It's a popular dish in Korea. It's often eaten as a snack. Basically what you're going to need is some sweet potatoes. It doesn't matter how many, it just depends on how much you want to make. Some sugar and some oil. Here I'm just dicing up my sweet potatoes in a diagonal way and then cutting those pieces up even smaller so that it's easier to cook. Watch your hands, be careful. So with the second sweet potato, what we decided to do, which you'll see later in the clip, is we actually took off the skin and then started dicing them up because we realized halfway through that actually we do prefer it without the skin. You can have it on with the skin, there's absolutely no problem with that. We just, texture-wise and just being able to easily eat it, we just prefer it without the skin. I know in a lot of American supermarkets, the sweet potato is orange. To me, I thought that those were yams, but I'm not sure. But they do carry these in Trader Joe's or any local Korean or Asian market that you have around you. I think call these Japanese sweet potatoes or Asian sweet potatoes or something like that. But yeah, these are the sweet potatoes that I know. Just in a bowl is your oil, your sugar, and your diced sweet potatoes. Alright, so here you have your warmed up oil in a frying pan. Make sure that your sweet potatoes are able to submerge in them. You don't want the oil to be like burning hot and like boiling already because you want it to gradually build up heat as the sweet potatoes cook in them. And keep in mind that when you are frying things, it takes a really short amount of time for them to cook. So you really want to monitor them. You don't want them to sit in there for too long. Because remember, even when they are out of this oil, because of the heat that it was in, it's still going to be cooking technically, if that makes sense. You just want to be careful that you're not, throwing them in there or dropping them in there because the oil will, jump out and you don't want to burn yourself, okay? Transfer them over to a drainer or just a regular bowl, that's also fine. It doesn't matter, there's no rules. Oh, guys, look how good these look. These are just the right amount of crispiness that we wanted. Again, you can cater it more to what you are looking for. You can do a little less or a little more. You can burn it. Just kidding, don't burn it. Alright, so now in a separate pan, get your oil and your sugar ready. The sugar on the oil, disclaimer, sugar and oil do not mix. I didn't make that up. They just don't, so don't be alarmed that they're not, mixing together and becoming one. So now we're taking that sweet potato that we had off to the side cooling, and then we're going to just drop it into this oil and sugar mixture. Again, be careful not to, throw it in there and get, oil splattered on you. And here is the finished product. How beautiful. So these, string looking things, if you will, these are natural. This is because of the heated up sugar. But yeah, here's the finished product. Yum. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and follow for more. Bye guys.